Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Awesome Gamer. I just found out some pretty cool news. And that's that a hurricane, not an actual hurricane, but a bunch of the rain from the hurricane that's hitting San Diego, or I forget what it was. I just got on my phone. Mama. Okay, my dog likes to bark. But yeah, we're getting like a bunch of rain between today and the time that school starts. So like we're getting at least 8 to 10 inches of rain between now and the time of Monday, which school starts. So yeah, I kind of can't wait. It's gonna be the first time that like we've gone. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to cover that. Actually, what if I just do this? There we go. There we go. But yeah, I mean we've gotten rain from hurricanes in the past, but not this much. And not this fast. There's somebody outside, I think, mowing their lawn, and it's just downpoured like 10 minutes ago. I thought it's always good. But yeah, I was actually gonna ask my grandma if I can stay up and maybe record if it rains tonight. I may go outside in it and show you guys that I'm in the rain. But that's probably gonna be pretty light if it does rain. Or I just might stay up to make videos for tomorrow, just in case it does rain and my power goes out, because 8 to 10 inches of rain is like a flood zone type. That's like a flood level 1, or it's between a flood level 1 and flood level 3. For some reason I can't say flood level. Flood level, there we go. It's between a 1 and a 3 flood level zone. So that's pretty bad, because I've seen flood level 3 in it. It's pretty bad. And yeah, my power goes out, then I will have no charger, no electricity, so no power pretty much. So like no TV and stuff unless I'm on my phone. So that's probably why, but I might just have to stay up because I feel like it. Either one. Probably both. Because like I said, I told my mom this, and that's like, it rained earlier. I went outside, I was about to go outside, and all of a sudden I heard, like kind of like bang, 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 like, okay, so, here, let me go up to my window, so you know this sound, like, listen, you know this sound, like someone's knocking on your door because of the rain? That's what I heard. I was like, okay, is it raining out? And then I went out to my game room, to the game room, and turns out it was raining. I'm gonna lay down, actually. Just gonna sit over here, make sure the light's not that bad. But yeah, and so it rained for like 5 minutes, and then it stopped. But yeah, like I said, like some rain might come today and tonight. Some rain might come tomorrow. It might the rain can come in waves and stuff. So yeah, rain tips with Matthew. But I know a lot about all this stuff because I've learned it over the years of being in school. And also just being in rain. I love to play in rain. I'm a rain guy. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know, if there's not that many videos tomorrow, or any days of the week, until school starts, well, when school starts, it's going to be pretty rough for me to make videos. Ooh. And then I should think about that, because I have to do homework and stuff. Well, the first week I could just record back to back, I guess. So, yeah. I want to let you guys know. I'll see you later. Bye.